It's untouchable, which and I'm going to be opening the pack of the iPhone 4 bumpers. It's a pink one, I'm pretty sure. If you look at the pink. And here it is. They always would come in little packs, like this. So here, let's get started. So you throw away these two pieces and keep the case out. It makes noise, you know? It's like that because of the volume buttons. After the video is over, I will put on the case, but it's gonna look really good. So just can't put on the case right now. I know it kind of looks purple, pinkish, but it's really hot, bright pink. Bye guys, I was done by Dan Bedouin. Bye. Those are my animations in my other video I posted. Bye guys. It's untouchable. For my next video, I already told you.